Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my package I received from, it's actually my swap, I'm receiving back from Donna H, who is Donna Dreams ×3 here on YouTube. Her and Miss Judy from my scrapbook loft host a monthly swap that you can mail in whatever their swap theme is for that month. They will mail you back whatever the number of entrants they ask you to mail in. So like we had to mail in 3 different, what was this? 3 different, I think it could be whatever your choice was. And I will link the video to what I sent here so you can check it out. But let's see what I got. Looks like a bunch of funness. Okay. So I think that's everything. And look at how cute this is with the butterfly and a topper. It looks like a embellishment. It's a pocket, maybe an envelope. Let's see. Let's get this out. It does not say who it's from, but it has all this pretty teal confetti. Maybe right here it does say. There's like a little pocket with a tag in it. There you go. And it says, "You are strong, you are loved, and you are blessed." Oh, this is made by Deb Hendricks. And look at how pretty this flower cluster is. She has attached it with some lace trim. These are like felt flowers. This might be a paper type of flower. She embellished the centers. Then we have a rolled rose here. And look at this gemmy down here at the bottom. And she has it on this pretty red paper with the foiled hearts. Thank you so much. And then the little thing goes there. That was cute. Thank you so much, Deb. And then we also have, wow, this is from Sabrina Mismatch Crafter. And let's look what she has. She shared an ATC, it looks like, and a bookmarker. Wow, but look at how pretty her butterfly bag topper is. And it looks like she did some mixed media to get that shiny effect from the butterfly wings. Look at her pretty bookmark. She has layered this up a few times. She's used mixed media. She has a sentiment here which says believe. She's added these paper, I think they're paper butterflies, some buttons. She used some paste under there. There's like torn paper she's layered. Beautiful. She's added an eyelet with the eyelash trim. And then look at her ATC card. This almost looks like melted metal. It's just shiny. I'm not sure what elements she used, but there's also like, what is this called? Tool? I think it's a tool that's back there as well. Oh, so thank you so much. This is so pretty. Thank you, Sabrina. And then look at this funness with the trim. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at all of this trim. I will reuse it for sure. Some beads, some sequins trim, some lace trim. Thank you so much. And it's wrapped around this bag that holds some other goodies. Whoa, look at these flowers. So pretty. Look at them. There's all different flowers that was added. Some crocheted ones. Some that are centered with gemmies. And I'm not sure who shared this. I don't think there was a name. But this is my swap. I received that. Sorry for the crinkling. I leave the link to their description, to their YouTube channels in my description box below so you can check out what next month's swap is. I believe they might have posted that information. And because Donna posted this swap, the next swap is hosted by Judy. And so look for their link below so you can follow along or join us into this monthly swap. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!